Good afternoon, guys. We're gonna go into a very small recap here on the activity of the market today. No trades for me today. I don't want to take a chance. I could have go short and a few stocks, but I didn't want to do it. Today, the market is actually plunging pretty much a lot of points. At some point, the Dow was down over 600 points. So right now, I think it's under about 650 some points, and I didn't want to. I didn't want to take a chance. There's a lot of trade tensions and talks with China and Trump and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna jump real quick here into ITCI and the other stock that I was watching, cars and also OSTK, and we're gonna start with ITCI here. Pretty nice plunges the open today. If you notice right here, just extended price channel. I was live streaming this thing. If you look at the daily right here, just kind of flatlining on the daily, going sideways. A lot of consolidation you can see here on ITCI, and also right here on this 15-minute time frame. If you notice here, it just plunged. We had a reversal right here. It found a little bit of support around this area. If you notice the trend here, for a nice reversal on 15 with a dragonfly doji right there in the 15-minute time frame, and then just a nice push up just to consolidate and go sideways here. I don't want to take a trade on this one. Again, I was live streaming the move, but I didn't feel too comfy in regards to what the actual market is doing today. And so I'm gonna jump into the second stock here. We're gonna go into cars. We're just dropping with the overall market today. If you notice, right at the open, we have a 5-minute candle right here that just pushed up and tested right the 50 simple moving average right here, just to pull back from that area there. I'm gonna pull it back to right at the beginning. If you notice right here, we have this nice 1-minute candle actually right here to just tap the open on the pre-market today and just pull back from there. Just consolidation all the way sideways today. The market is actually reacting very slow. So you can notice here just consolidating over the view app and under the 50 simple moving average, which doesn't really give me a lot of confidence in this stock actually moving today. The stock market is plunging, and I'd rather be out. I'm gonna go for a walk and a nice run. I'm gonna go to the gym now afterwards, and then I'm gonna go to the park. I'll be putting some pictures on Instagram and stuff. If you don't mind, you can find me there at traders_colony. And if you don't mind following there, just connecting and going to the website, maybe if you would like to, traderscolony.com. There's a free website, free community, all access, free. You can post your own videos there, your own ideas, articles, calculator, keep track of your trades and all that kind of stuff. And just connect with people that like the same things that you guys like. No matter if it's Forex, Bitcoin, or anything at all. Just no questions asked, no credit card needed, nothing needed at all. Let's just connect and do that. I'll also be gonna be starting a podcast very soon, and I don't know if any of you would like to be interviewed on a future episode of the podcast. If you would like to be interviewed, please send me an email on a contact form on the website traderscolony.com. The contact form is right there, and the email is gonna go straight to me. So I'm gonna jump into OSTK. This is one of the stocks that I was watching since the morning, and this is one of the stocks that I'm gonna try to go a little tiny bit deeper to explain the information here on this stock. This is a 1-minute time frame here. I was watching this nice push up right at the open. If you notice a little bit of indecision right here with a doji right at the open, and a nice push up with a view app. Right here, we got a resistance of $22.58, a micro pullback on the one, and then just a little bit of descending price channel right here for the breakout of the high of this candle here, or $22.27 for a move all the way to testing the area of 2258 right here. If you notice, the problem with that is that this resistance was actually too strong. If you notice right here, look at this consolidation right here, tap a little bit, a couple of times right here, the 2258 resistance, and this nice plunge right here is what happened next. I was live streaming this move while it was happening, and I was telling you guys that this is what I was actually expecting, a pullback right from the 2258, and then we had a little bit of consolidation. When the move happened here, we had a 1 minute candlestick that tested the 50 simple moving average for a nice bounce, and then consolidation. When the price was consolidating right here around the view, I told you guys, if this thing moves to the downside after the consolidation around here, this thing, if it gets under the 50 simple moving average, then it's gonna drop. And that's what actually happened. It dropped about 50 cents. This nice move after this consolidation right here, finding support around the base of $21.50. So again, guys, I just wanted to bring you a quick recap here. If you notice, we could put a trend line right there, and we are finding consolidation around $21.50 support here. Just wanted to bring you a small recap, short version of the video here, and I just wanted to bring you the actual market today. Thank you for listening, and happy trading, guys.